Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will like to show to you the way how to clean up your history of the Safari browser on your iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Safari application, and there will be a lot of options in the down part here. There will be a website that you recently visited to, and then you just need to go click this double square here, and then you just need to go click this plus button, so you will have this type of look. And the next thing you need to do is take a look on this bottom side in the right corner. There will be two options in the blue color, which is the button, the active. So you just need to go click this book icon. And the next thing you need to do is just make sure that you are stay in this watch icon. So there will be a T option here. And after you are in this section, you just need to go click this clear. And there will be an option to choose here if you want to clean up the history search on the last hour. You can just go click this last hour, but if you want to clean all of the history on the Safari, you just need to go click all history. And you can also add the additional option if you want to close all the tabs that you just opened with Safari. You can just go turn on this button, and now you just need to click this clear history, and the history will be disappear. So that is the way, guys, how to clean up the history on your Safari browser. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.